In this Alignmix video, you will learn how to copy data from Alignmix so that you can paste it in Excel or any other software where you can paste data. Now, the first way to copy data is to lasso an area on your map. And this time we will leave the alignment scope with zip codes and accounts so that we can lasso both zip codes and accounts and copy both of those also. So let's lasso a big area here. And then when I let go, we will see our map query appear. Here in the bottom left, you will see a copy button. Clicking on this copy button, you can choose zip codes and accounts, only zip codes, or only accounts. So let's click here on zip codes and accounts. And right when I did that, all of that data was placed on the computer's clipboard. So now when we pull over Microsoft Excel, when we have Microsoft Excel open, we can simply click to paste that data. You'll see first our list of all the zip codes that we've just copied. And then at the very bottom of this list, you will start to see our account IDs appear as well. So copies and paste both zip codes and accounts. And as you can see, that is where the account list starts. So you can copy and paste zip codes and accounts, or only zip codes. So now let's go back to our Alignmix file. And now let's close our map query. The other way to copy this data is to use the territory lasso tool. So let's select the territory lasso tool. And I'll select 2 territories by using that tool, or 3, and now we let go. And now in our territory query view, we also have that copy button here in the bottom left. Clicking that button, you'll see a similar set of options that we just saw in the map query. We can choose zip codes and accounts, zip codes, or just accounts. So let's select zip codes, and by clicking that, all that zip code data has now been placed on my clipboard. Going back to Microsoft Excel, I can now click and paste that data, and you'll see all the information for those zip codes and their assigned territories now appears here pasted in Microsoft Excel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to copy your accounts and zip codes from Alignmix and paste them into Excel.